Hi, and thanks for joining this brief overview of OneLogin's dynamic password block list and compromised credential check features. There are 6 components that make up OneLogin Smart Factor Authentication. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the credential protection functionality provided by SmartFactor. First, the dynamic password block list can be configured to prevent users from using user directory attributes in their passwords. This helps organizations easily enhance their security posture by preventing the usage of weak or easily guessed credentials. For example, in the security policy here, the usage of first name, last name, and company name in a user's password are restricted. In fact, any user attribute can be added to the dynamic password block list, even custom user attributes. Additionally, the compromised credential check feature allows organizations to prevent users from setting their passwords to passwords that are already exposed from a previous data breach and available on the dark web. When a user creates a new account or changes their account password, the compromised credential check feature compares their new username and password against a dynamic and continuously updated database of credentials that have been breached and posted on the dark web, and then prevents them from using any of these credentials identified as compromised. And that concludes this quick summary of the credential protection functionality provided by OneLogin Smart Factor Authentication. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, make sure to explore the rest of the demos in this video series to understand the other components that form OneLogin Smart Factor Authentication.